client.
Yeah, yes, again, the court now said that the wife should have been more insistent on the fact that, they should have taken they should have taken a further step to ensure that the husband is taken to hospital. But the wife should have also insisted that the father-in-law should not bury the husband. However, in Yoruba land, it is not possible. Let us face the fact. This fault cannot be that of my client. What will Wunmi say? Wunmi will tell mohbad that was insisting on burying the guy that they are saying we should not bury the husband. She has no say in Yoruba land. We should face the fact as it is. So this is not her fault at all, but due to cultural, influence and cultural dictation. She cannot. A wife will tell her father-in-law what to do in Yoruba land, except she's not well cultured. You understand? I could see everybody not in agreement with me because it's not possible. You say, Daddy, you cannot bury my father. No, she has no say. And again, a woman that is oppressed by so much grief, even the court made her finding that it is possible she is overwhelmed by grief and you will not be able to, we should have insisted, go to hospital. You know, the hospital thing, the husband was convulsing, she was taking charge, and the younger brother and the friend were already looking for ambulance. Why would she leave the husband? If she leave the husband again and go and look for ambulance, they will say she didn't take care of the husband. So there's no how she will leave the husband and go and look for ambulance or be making calls when two other people are doing that. But as it is, the judgment of the coroner is fantastic and it's reliable, it is subjective, it is detailed. There's nothing to add here. The coroner also went further to talk about the inactiveness of the police officer or security agent. When somebody's life is under threat and he has written petitions to that effect, nothing was done. Why was it that nobody was arrested? Why was it that nobody was prosecuted? And the court also made finding that it was established that Sam Larry, Naira Marley, and the rest of them in the record label did actually assaulted the guy physically and psychologically especially. And the court also made finding to the effect that the guy had been under psychological trauma for months before his eventual untimely death. These are fantastic findings. And again, the court talked about the failure of the support system. The support system is the medical emergency, the medical, our health sector, is moribund or is it dead, I would call it. So there are no facilities. You cannot call an ambulance, on call and say, get this one done. There is no facility for that. Again, when the guy was even being evacuated or taken to the hospital, the damning hold up on the road also is another problem. So these are the things. Up till now, there is nothing anybody can do in some of these things. So there is a systemic failure. There is the societal, is it a negative response to things like this, and the family also. The judgment has stated and emphasized the need for father, mother, or parents to be concerned about the welfare of their children at home. Thank you.
Wow, this is a great one, sir, and I really appreciate that. But to just crown it all before I let you go, sir. To today's hearing and the verdict given by the court and the advice, what is your own take? You believe that is the way it should be?
That is the way. At this point, there is a medical advice or opinion or autopsy now that shows, this is the cause of death in definite time. We will have been saying different things. But all we are saying is guesswork, especially as to the cause of death. But majorly, it is pointing towards the issue of injection, anaphylactic death, which is injecting of a substance that will lead to death into the body of any person or into the body of the deceased. So, and the nurse admitted injecting him and that he reacted immediately. Many people gave evidence to the effect that he reacted immediately. So, there's nothing anybody can say. But the judge has gone further to make recommendation for the prosecution of the nurse. Because the nurse, as of today, you see him even on the social media making videos, dancing and singing and happy. You understand? She was not bothered at all, and unfortunately she also came to the court sometimes, you know, half of what he said were lies. But thank God the tribunal was not deceived by such treatment.
All right. Lastly, what is your own next step concerning the prosecution and the pursuit of the case now?
Yeah, the pursuit of the case, we will study we have known the verdict, we have to take steps, you know, let the family come together, the father should know, the guy should not be lying there. Thank God, you see that the court made it abundantly clear that the body had been released. Go and bury this guy and forget about all this noise on the social media. If the boy is laid to rest and give him a befitting burial today, you see that all this noise will go down. Both noise for Baba Mohbad, not for those who are not in support, those who are in support, and so on and so forth, those in support of the mother, in support of the wife, in support of the child, everything will die down. The only thing that is remaining is the issue of the DNA. Let the father make himself available for us to conduct the DNA. We have gotten the court order. We have done everything. We are ready. The man ran away. So there's nothing we can do. But we are in court again now to ask for another of court for us to do our own DNA system. They are not ready to do it. But thank God, their lawyer has filed another application that they want to do the DNA. But they want to do it. We are not supposed to use it. We are not hiding anything. Let the DNA be done under the supervision of the court. Anywhere they want, let them do it. So that we can know the truth and move forward. You understand? Nobody will now be guessing, oh, this child is a bastard, oh, this child belongs to this and all that. I think we should end all the and allow that for
and concerning the DNA matter, sir, based on the new file and the new application being filed that you said, has court attend to the new application, and when do you think this next sitting will be?
The issue of next sitting, they have not given us this. When they give us this, we are ready to.
Thank you so very much, sir. I really appreciate you. Wow. Wow. Ladies are meant to gen. Because they don't say gentlemen, but this is meant to gen. Ladies are meant to gen. I'm trying as much as possible to be myself and everything. So, as things stands, the two lawyers are coming together to sort one or two things out within themselves. Talking about Wunmi lawyer and the SAN, you understand? As you can all see. 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 I go bite you. I go bite you. Sure. I like that your glass, so I go borrow them. I get one party this evening. My own Nasha commended at the fan. Guys, as you can all see, they are both coming together to sort or solve the issue of the DNA, the puzzle of the DNA. They are discussing it on how they want it to be and how it should be. Wow. The update today was so crazy, was so funny, and was so overwhelming that it is 150% against a particular